Okay, it's unboxing day. So, I was playing Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shane Pearl recently. It's Brilliant Diamond. I got for Pokemon I want. And I also got Mew and Jirachi. And I got for Manaphy Egg. And also clothing that I looked up. It's a spoiler. So, it's a spoiler that you can get Mew and Jirachi. So, here I go opening this package right now. It's from Fluff. I know what it is. Maybe I know what it is. My chicken. Blanche. Okay. This is Blanche. Story and Con is second nature to Blanche. She doesn't get roosters get ahead of her in the mornings. She uses her voice to stick up to everyone she loves. That's her. Blanche. My chicken. So, I want her plan to be either what the clown villain does, and after the during the two final episodes, her planet is destroyed. I'm so sorry. And then the planet's redeemed. And then that someone who destroyed my planet has been redeemed. She awaits me. Well, she can talk to me about my chicken. I don't know what to say. So, here's my chicken, Blanche. I really liked my chicken. This is my second pet Fluffness plush I have. So, I have to go for now. Bye!